price of Alibaba,
Yeah.
I think it's like a secure payment for us.
Yeah.
Like I'm able to use my credit card, make the purchase.
Yeah.
So you are explaining to me everything. I have the idea of the final cost that it is that exactly what I am looking for right now is to have the final price. So I will be able to divide the total amount of everything. So after that, I am going to be prepared, for example, to have like the idea to sell in 200, for example, or 200, something like that. So I am sharing with you what I am thinking right now.
Okay, my best friend. So will you please, I have an application after we finish this call. Please, will you please kindly arrange the payment using credit card so we could begin the shipment, please?
Yeah, sure. Are you able to send to me the final result of the products? For example, to have idea, to share with my friends, with my family. Okay, well, I'm going to start a business, so if you are able to help me. So I imagine all the things that I have to do, but let's make the first step, the payment, the final result. So after you send me the final invoice, I was asking to you if I have to pay more money with taxes, and you are making like approximately 150. It's like this amount, right?
Oh, regarding for the tax, don't worry, please. For example, for hookah, you order each item the EXW price, which means don't including the shipping cost. The cost is 66.9, right? But once we report to custom, we will report, for example, USD 10, USD 5, or USD 8. So don't worry about the customer duty cost. Maybe until then you will pay less than 350. But don't worry about it, please, because once we ship to Turkey, we report to custom USD 5 or USD 10 sometimes, and the customer will pay very, very less customer duty cost. Don't worry about it. And about the order, I already sent to you through the Alibaba. Please kindly check the Alibaba Trade Manager, please, and you can check the link. You can just arrange the payment right now. Also, I have to confirm with you, my best friend. You sent to me the boxes with the protective material, you know. So which means you want this kind of box, right?
I want to see the conversation. Yeah.
Okay. We will ship to 10 pieces this black color. We will ship to you this black color 10 pieces. Okay, we will ship to you. Yes. Okay, done. Okay. Yeah. So my best friend, so everything is good. So please, you will get the protection through Alibaba. Just add your credit card through Alibaba. You can arrange a payment. You can pay in 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then we will begin to package 10 pieces of them, and then we will ship outside from our stock, our factory stock, and to the shipping agent stock, and then everything will on the way. You will receive maybe after 25 days or 28 days, you will receive it. So please don't worry, please. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Just sir, I think it's a good moment to do it because I think on December, I don't know, a lot of customers will be searching this kind of product with the difference of the price that we will make on the Amazon. So I think it's perfect. Everything is perfect. I'm going to check the link. I think everything for now.
Please, my dearest boss, Mr. Jason, if you met any problem in payment, please kindly let me know. The first order, my best friend, this is the very, very first order from us for 10 pieces. Please kindly pay using Alibaba. And after you receive the hookah in 25 days or 28 days later, you will build the deep trust with Chester, with me. And until then, next order, if you want to order 50 pieces or 100 pieces, please kindly pay using bank transfer, because you will save a lot of money by using bank transfer instead of Alibaba, because Alibaba, you can see, charges a lot.
Yeah, exactly. So, Richard, I understand everything, and I wish you the best for you. And I will be waiting the final link. Okay?
Yes, my best friend. I already sent to you the link through. Let me send to you again, my best friend. It's better for you to open the Alibaba, your trade manager. Please log in your Alibaba account. You will see the link. You will see the order, and you can pay directly. You can add credit card information. You can pay it. You can pay it directly, and then we can ship outside. Please. Yeah.
Thank you, Chester. I appreciate all of your time, all of your work. I will be making the final step.
Yeah, please kindly pay it now, and please also maybe now after we finish this call, please, if you met any problem, maybe after 10 minutes, please allow me, or 20 minutes, please allow me to call you again. I want to ask you, have you met any problem in adding credit card or whatever? Please send me the screenshot. If you met any problem, please let me know. I want to be helpful. Please. Thank you, Mr. Jason.
Perfect. Perfect. And I will be asking to you if I have any issue completely in the payment.
Okay, muchas gracias, amigo. And please keep in touch. So see you maybe in 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Yeah, please.
See you, my best reward.
Please kindly add the credit card. Please kindly pay it.